everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to discuss question number 9, 10, 11 and 12 of exercise 1.4. Okay, so let A is equals to this set, B is equals to this, C is equals to this and D is equals to this set. Okay, we have to find the difference. Okay, in the previous video we have discussed about the definition of difference of set. If we have two sets A and B, then how you can find the A difference B? This will contain those elements which are in A but not in B. Okay, by using this definition we will do all the questions. Okay, so first of all, A difference B. So what is A? A is containing all the multiples of 3 which are less than 24. We have to find the difference with B. B is containing all the multiples of 4 which are less than 24. Okay. In the difference we have those elements which are in A but not in B. Okay. So here 4 is included but 4 is not there. 8 is also not here. 12. So we will discard 12. Okay. 16 is the multiple of 3 and 20 is also not the multiple of 3. So A difference B will be 3, 6, 9, 15, 18 and 21. Okay. So what about A difference C? Okay. So what about A difference C? A is all the multiples of 3 which are less than 24. We have to find the difference with C. C is containing all the even numbers or multiples of 2 which are less than 18. 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Okay. So if we have to find the difference, we will write those elements of A which are not in B. 3 is here, 2 is excluded because 2 is in the B set, 9, 12 is even number and it is in B set, so this will in the C set, so this will excluded, and 15, 18 is also excluded, 21 is included. So we are writing those elements of A which are not in the set C because these are not the multiples of 2. So let's discuss about part 3, which is A difference D. What is A? A is this set, and what is D? D is all the multiples of 5 which are less than 25. Okay. If we have to find the difference, we will write 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 will be discarded because 15 is in the D set. Okay. 18 and 21. So this is the difference of A and D. Now fourth part, B difference A. B is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 and A is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and 21. Okay, we have to find the difference. We have to write those elements of B which are not in A. So 4 is included, 8 is included, but 12 is not included because this is a multiple of, this is in the other set. Okay, so 16, 20. This will be the answer of fourth part. What about C minus? C difference A. C is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. We have to find the difference with 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and 21. Okay. So this will contain all the elements except 12 and 18. This is not containing 18. So this will contain 2, 4, 6 is also excluded because 6 is a multiple of 3. This is in the other set. So this will exclude it. 2, 4, 8, 10, 14 and 16. This is the difference of C and A. What about D difference A? D is 5, 10, 15, 20. What is A? All the multiples of 3 but less than 21. Okay, so 5 is not a multiple of 3, so we will write 5, 10 and 20. This is the difference of D and A. What about B difference C? B is containing multiple of 4 less than 24 and C is all the even numbers, all the multiples of 2 less than 18. Okay, so here 4 is in the set B and C also. So 4 is excluded, 8 is also excluded, 12 is also excluded and 16 is also excluded. But we will write only 20. Okay. Now let's discuss about other parts. Next is 7th part is B minus D. Here B is this, D is this. Okay, we will write those elements which are in B but not in D. So we will write 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 is excluded because 20 is present in the next set. What about C minus B? Here C is this, B is this. Okay, we will write those elements which are not in the other. So 2, 6, 10, 14. This will be the answer of this part. Next is D minus B. D is this set and B is this set. We will write those elements of D which are not in this. So 5, 10, 15 because 20 is here. So 20 is excluded. Okay. So next is C minus D. C is this set, D is this set. We will write those elements of C which are not in D. So these are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 is here. So 10 is excluded. 12, 14, 16. This will be the difference of C and D. What about D and C? Difference of C, D. D difference C is, D is this set and C is this set. So we will write those elements of D which are not in this. So 5 we will write here. 10 is in this set. So this is excluded. 15 we will write and 20 we will write. So this is the difference of C and D. Now let's discuss about question 10. If x is this, y is this set, we have to find the difference of x and y and x and also find the intersection. Okay. So x difference y is, we will write x and y here and we will write those elements which are in x but not in y. Okay. Here A will be included, B is excluded because B is here, C will be included and D will also excluded because D is here. So A, C will be the answer of, will be the difference of x and y. What about y and x? Y and x means those element of y which are not in x. We will write phi, f is here but not in the other set. So f will be the element of difference. B is present here, so we will not write in the difference. D is present here, so we will discard D also. So F and G will be the difference of y and x. What about the intersection? Intersection contain those elements which are in both the sets. Okay, so let's check. A is in first set but not in second, so A is excluded. B is in both the sets, so we will write. C excluded, D we will write because D is in both the sets. So x intersection y will be B in and D. Let's discuss about question number 11, which is if R is the set of all real numbers and Q is the set of all the rational numbers, we have to find the difference of R and Q. We will find R difference Q. Okay, you all know that since set of real number contains all the rational numbers as well as irrational number. Okay, so in real numbers we have all the rational numbers, all the irrational number. We have to find the difference with all the irrational numbers. Okay, so the difference of R and Q will contain the set of all the irrational numbers. Now let's discuss question number 12, which is state whether each of the following statement is true or false. First one is 3, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 3, 6. are disjoint. For disjoint, we will check the intersection. Okay, intersection means the element which is common in both the sets. Here 3 is the common element. So A intersection B is 3. But this is not equals to 5. If this is equals to 5, so these are the disjoint sets. So first statement is false and reason is this. Second is all the vowels and first 4 alphabets. Okay. So here we have A intersection B is A. So this is also not equals to 5. So this is also a false statement. Okay. So next is 2, 6, 10, 14 and 3, 7, 11, 15. So in the intersection, this statement is true because in the intersection, we have no element common. Because here all the even numbers are included and here we have all the odd numbers. So intersection is 5. If we have intersection 5, then these two sets are disjoint sets. So this statement is true. What about the next part? 2, 6, 10 and 3, 7, 11. These are containing all the even numbers and these are all the odd numbers. So intersection is 5. So these are the disjoint sets. So this statement is true. Okay. So in this lecture we have completed exercise 1.4. In the next video we will discuss the introduction, the basics of exercise 1.5. Thanks for watching.